Hi friends, today we are making microwave buffalo chicken wings, a fast American classic for when you want saucy wings without turning on the oven. They are juicy, buttery, spicy, and ready for a snack table or easy dinner. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes about 25 minutes. Let us walk through the ingredients so the wings come out juicy, saucy, and very weeknight friendly. 2 pounds chicken wings, split into flats and drumettes, give us the classic American party wing shape and cook evenly in the microwave. 1 teaspoon kosher salt seasons the chicken from the start, which matters because the microwave cooks quickly. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper adds a gentle bite that works beautifully with buffalo sauce. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder gives the wings a savory backbone without adding raw garlic moisture. 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika brings warm color and a subtle backyard barbecue note, even though we are using the microwave. 1 tablespoon cornstarch helps the surface dry a little and gives the sauce something to cling to. 1/4 cup hot sauce is the heart of that familiar buffalo flavor, tangy, spicy, and bright. 3 tablespoons unsalted butter melt into the hot sauce to make the glaze rich and silky. 1 tablespoon honey rounds the edges of the heat and helps the glaze turn sticky. 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar sharpens the sauce so the butter and honey do not feel heavy. 2 celery stalks give you that cool, crisp side that belongs next to buffalo wings. 1/4 cup blue cheese dressing adds the creamy, salty dip that makes this feel like a classic American wing plate. We begin the preparation by patting 2 pounds of split chicken wings dry with paper towels, then placing them in the square glass microwave-safe dish. Dry wings season better and release less extra moisture as they cook. Now that the wings are dry, sprinkle on 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Use clean hands or tongs to toss the wings until every flat and drumette has a thin, even coating. This coating is what helps the buffalo glaze stick later. Arrange the coated wings in a single layer in the glass dish, with a little space between pieces when possible. Keeping them spread out helps the microwave heat reach them evenly. Cover the dish with a vented microwave-safe lid or a microwave-safe cover set slightly open. The cover traps enough steam to cook the chicken through while letting pressure escape safely. Microwave the covered wings on high power for 8 minutes. At this point, the chicken will start turning opaque and some juices will collect in the bottom of the dish. Carefully remove the hot dish, lift the cover away from your face, and turn each wing over with tongs. This exposes the second side to direct heat for even cooking. Cover the dish again and microwave on high power for 5 to 7 more minutes, until the thickest part of the wings reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a food thermometer and check more than one piece. Once the wings are fully cooked, let them rest covered for 3 minutes. The rest time helps the heat settle through the meat and keeps the wings juicy. After the rest, carefully pour off the cooking juices from the glass dish. This keeps the buffalo sauce bold and glossy instead of watery. For the sauce, add 1/4 cup hot sauce, 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar to a small microwave-safe glass bowl. Microwave the sauce on high power for 45 seconds, then stir until the butter is completely melted and the sauce looks smooth and shiny. Pour about half of the warm buffalo sauce over the cooked wings. Toss with tongs until the wings are lightly coated on all sides. Microwave the sauced wings uncovered on high power for 2 minutes. This short uncovered blast tightens the glaze so it clings to the chicken. Now toss the hot wings with the remaining buffalo sauce until every piece is glossy. The cooking is finished, and the wings are ready to plate. Cut 2 celery stalks into sticks, then pile the saucy wings on a white plate with the celery and 1/4 cup blue cheese dressing on the side. And there it is, juicy microwave buffalo chicken wings with that buttery hot sauce glaze we promised at the start. Serve them right away with the celery and blue cheese dressing while the sauce is warm and glossy. If you enjoyed this easy microwave wing recipe, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more practical home cooking ideas.